welcome to Kids Crossing Creative Club. Make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe to it, and most importantly, make sure you share it. You may know who I am. My name is Joel. Your mom might want you to call me Mr.Joel, and that's okay. Today, we are making one of the funnest things in the world to make, and that would be a paper airplane. I've made these things ever since I was a little kid. But I'm not going to show you how to make it this time. The one and only Abram Sewell, my son, is the one that's going to be showing you how to make it. He almost busted coming in here. How you doing, Abram?
Good.
You doing good? You can say hey to everybody? Say hey to everybody. All right, so Abram, what kind of airplane are you going to show us to make today?
Four-wing airplane.
A four-wing, you got it right there?
Yes.
Already made one. How far do you think this airplane can go?
Pretty far.
Pretty far? 2 feet?
No.
5 feet?
No.
20 feet?
Yes.
3,000 feet?
No.
20 feet?
Yes. 25
feet?
No.
We'll go with 20 feet. He says 20 feet. I think he's right. We'll find out. Okay, so the most important thing to making a paper airplane is what? Paper.
Oh yeah.
There's your piece of paper. All right, what is the very first step in making this paper airplane?
You always have to bend it in the middle and make sure it's completely
So
straight.
fold it in half and make sure it's completely straight.
Yes.
All right, so what do you do after you fold it in half?
Okay. You open it up.
Open it up, bend it, and open it. All right, I should be doing it with you.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. What's the next step?
Okay. So you fold it
Got it
to the
folded?
line.
Okay. So you take your edge and you fold it to the line, and then you make it tight. Okay, got it?
And same thing with the other side.
Same thing on the other side. So make a triangle pretty much at the top, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I just messed up.
It's okay. So triangle at the top like that. All right, what's next? Tight.
Flip it over.
Flip it over. Flip it to the back.
Now do you
Tight again. How are we folding it? Folding the edge all the way to the middle there.
and you gotta pop this little thing out.
You gotta pop it out. Oh, okay. Then you pop that little flap out like that, so it goes like that.
And then fold it to the line.
Fold it to the line. Got it. And then tighten it again. All right. So do the same thing on the other side.
Yes.
All right. So fold the other side. Till it's in the midsole. Crease it. Don't forget to pop it out, just like that. All right. Got it.
Okay. Now get this in.
Okay. Take that in.
Fold it all the
So
way.
take the point in and fold it all the way, all right, to where the two folds come together. You guys see that? And then you tighten it up again. There we go. Got it.
Okay. Then just fold it like a normal airplane like that.
And then fold in half like you would do a regular airplane. Okay, so fold in half like that. And then tighten it up once again. I've learned that making sure your edges are tight are probably the most important thing in making a paper airplane.
You want to flip it around. And do
Okay,
it to the
then
other
flip
side.
it around and do it the other side, both sides.
Okay. Get these also.
Okay, the pointy part's up. Okay, what's next?
So make sure this is flat.
So fold the wing parts all the way to the bottom parts and then crease it again, nice and tight.
Same thing with, and then same thing with the
Same thing on the other side. Nice and tight. There you go. All right,
And that's it.
and that's it. So now we have the airplane. Let's see. All right, put it down. Let's see if it looks like our model airplane. Here's the model that we made off the camera. There's Abram's right there, and there's mine. So the question is, who's going to throw it the furthest?
Definitely me.
Let's see. You take yours. All right, stand up right there. You throw it. Try to hit the door over there. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Go farther.
All right, so we got one more. Let's see if we can make this one go even
Let me
further.
get
You gonna do it? Okay. So you can see how far you can go. Not far. That's okay. That's part of the fun with making paper airplanes. Is that a lot of them do crazy tricks. A lot of them go nice and smooth and all the way around. Awesome. Good job. High five. So if you guys want to do it, how about this? How about you guys get some piece of paper, make a paper airplane the way that we made it, or make one the way that you like it, your favorite way. Get your mom or dad to take a picture of it, post it on our feed and show everybody what your paper airplane looks like. Also, post how far your paper airplane went. Sound good?
Yeah.
Well, till next time, this is Kids Crossing Creative Club. See you later.